Hi guys, welcome to Lytical Breaks. So today we are going to simplify the expression. Okay, so to solve this, we have to change the division to multiplication before we start. So changing this, I'm going to get x plus y over 3 into bracket x minus y. So we change this so it becomes multiplication. So by changing this division sign into multiplication sign, we need to reciprocate this expression. So 2 into bracket s minus y will be the numerator. Then x squared minus y squared will be the denominator. So we are going to get 2 into bracket x minus y all over x squared minus y squared. Good. Now you can see that we have to simplify this expression x squared minus y squared into differences of 2 squared. So to simplify this, I'm going to get x squared minus y squared resolve into x plus y x minus y. So we can replace this with the x squared minus y squared. So it's going to be x plus y on 3 into bracket x minus y multiplied by 2 into bracket x minus y on, so our x squared minus y squared becomes x plus y x minus y. Good. So with this, consider we can cancel out some terms. Consider x plus y can cancel x plus y. So just cancel out. Then x minus y will cancel out x minus y here. So we are going to get this. So our expression becomes 1 on 3 multiplied by 2 on x minus y. Good. So to continue with this, we are going to get 1 times 2 on 3 multiplied by x minus y. Okay, since it's multiplication, it means that we are going to multiply the numerator by the numerator, then denominator by denominator. Good. So to simplify this, we are going to get 2 on, 3, consider 3 into bracket x minus y, or you can continue to write it as 2 on 3x minus 3y. They are all the same thing. Okay, good. Now try this for me. You have to simplify. So simplify a plus b all squared on 2a minus 3b multiplied by 1 out of a plus b. Good. So make sure you try this. You leave the answer in the comment section. Okay.